Please stay tuned as I demonstrate how to make the best stir-fried beef in orange sauce. First, family and friends, I wash my beef and then I cut my steak into tiny strips. I season as desired and allow to marinate. Oh, hi there everyone, this is your Jamaican girl. Welcome to my kitchen. Family and friends, I am on vacation, but wherever there is a stove, there's an opportunity to prepare a meal to share with you. So I wash my carrots, cut them in tiny strips. I wash my onion, cut them, and then I put it aside. Next, I cut my broccoli lengthwise and I add that to the plate. Now, family and friends, let me welcome you as always. Thanks for making my channel one of your viewing choice. Remember to hit that like button, share my channel with your friends, and encourage them to subscribe. Next, family and friends, I cut up my Roma tomatoes, some garlic, some ginger, half of a Scotch bonnet pepper, and rest it aside. In a frying pan, I've added 2 tablespoons of butter. I add to that my seasoned beef strips. I add to that some garlic and of course my rough chopped onions. I stir this, allow it to come to a fry. Now, the key to get your beef all cooked nicely is not to cover it. Allow it to come to a fry. Stir it continuously until you get that nice golden brown color. Now, family and friends, I pause to share with you the spiritual nugget. 1 Peter 5 verse 7 reminds us that we are to cast our cares on the Lord because he cares for us. In the same frying pan, after removing the beef, I've added to that some carrots, some tomatoes. I've added freshly squeezed orange juice, about half cup. I add to that my broccoli and some bell pepper. I then add season and salt to taste, and then I add to that my green onions. If only you could smell all of this goodness. Remember to go ahead and hit that like button, and of course leave your comment in the comment section. Tell me where you're watching from and I send for you an extra special big up. Next, I add to that some spinach. I stir this all in, then I add my Scotch bonnet pepper. By this time it has reduced and the aroma in the kitchen is just welcoming. I add to this my golden brown beef strips. I then added some cashew for crunch and flavor, and I just allow this to simmer all done. It's once again another of my mother's favorite, from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. Thank you so much for spending the time with me in the kitchen. I'll see you next week where I have for you another interesting meal done Jamaican style. Remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, turn on your post notification, and subscribe if you have not already done so.